Every year, County Materials welcomes students into our facilities to explore the world of manufacturing during the Central Wisconsin Manufacturing Alliance's Heavy Metal Tour. The Heavy Metal Tour gives students the opportunity to see concrete pipe and block being made, the fabrication of metal forms, and a variety of vehicles and equipment in our truck maintenance shop. Through plant tours and education initiatives like the Heavy Metal Tour, students are learning that the manufacturing industry is vibrant and growing with innovative technology and a variety of career opportunities. Whether students want to pursue a 2-year or 4-year degree or start working right after high school, concrete manufacturing offers limitless paths to success from entry-level positions to management and leadership careers. Join the team of an industry leader by visiting workatcounty.com.